WinTeam is ERP software that enables growth for your business and a better way to manage your business. Forget multiple software applications, clumsy data imports, and custom interfaces. Our WinTeam ERP solution is designed to provide building service contractors a holistic way to measure performance and automate daily financial, operations, and workforce management. With workforce management and operations features in an ERP like WinTeam, you can handle people and work scheduling and better align key resources to save time and money. Janitorial contractors can manage billable work and track one-time and reoccurring tasks. Drive business efficiency and connect back office function to field workforce productivity. With integrated time and attendance, you can better manage labor costs, reduce errors, and save time. Add on real-time employee tracking to increase visibility of your distributed workforce. Our WinTeam ERP also includes tools to help manage your back office. Drive efficiency and better decisions by integrating human resources, payroll, financials, and analytics in one holistic system. Employee information, end-to-end insurance benefits, and payroll all in one place. Protect tight profit margins with the WinTeam ERP accounting software that makes it easy to create budgets and manage cash flow like a pro. WinTeam has more than 100 standard reports and a dashboard that highlights key business metrics. Add on the custom business intelligence tool to achieve unparalleled insight.